birds stop.
Hello, Humphrey, what's that? You've lost your Wellingtons and you want to go out in the rain? Well, I'll certainly do my best to find them. Bye, Humphrey, bye. Hello there. Humphrey says he's left his wellies on the bus. I better ask my Whitek where they are. Oh, there we are, Wellingtons. Oh, I see, yes. You wear your Wellingtons when you want to splash in puddles when it's raining. So they go under R for rain. Now, where are we? Where's this R? Ah, the R shelf. Now, what have we got? Telephone, bath duck, penguin. Ooh, what? No wellies? Huh, I thought as much. Now, I wonder where Royce has put them. I don't know. All the filing's gone completely up the spout since he came. He just hasn't got the hang of it at all.
Hello there.
Hello, Royce. What are you so cheerful about?
It's no crime, is it? Anyway, what are you so miserable about?
Oh, I'm not miserable. I've just decided I'm having an off day. And you keep filing everything in the wrong place.
What have you lost now, why?
I haven't lost anything. You have.
OK, what have I lost now, then?
Humphrey's wellies.
I haven't lost them. I filed them.
Yes, but where, Royce? Where?
Under H for Humphrey.
They don't go under H for Humphrey. They go under R.
R.
R for rain.
Well, seems much more sensible to me.
For the 59th time, how many times do I have to tell
Why?
you?
You ask anybody. They will always go under H because Humphrey begins with
I
H.
have a vision for what these things
there.
are used for.
What are you arguing about now?
Of course you do. You just
doesn't
don't
make
put
sense.
things in there willy-nilly,
Why?
don't you?
Tea, anyone?
Oh, hello, Betty. I didn't see you there.
I'm not surprised why. What are you arguing about now?
Not a lot, really. It's just that Y's really down in the dumps and in a bad mood.
No, I am not. I'm just having an off moment, that's all.
Some tea, why?
Yes, please, Betty.
You know when I'm down in the dumps?
I'm not down in the dumps.
No, of course you're not, why? I sing a song to cheer myself up.
Sometimes I dance.
Let's try it. Maybe have some music on your Whitek, why? Here we go, why? This might cheer you up.
If you're feeling sad and gloomy,
Turn up the music and sing. Open wide and suck it to me. Turn up the music and sing.
if the song is bright and cheerful, singing it'll stop you feeling tearful. Make your troubles burst like bubbles. Turn up the music and sing.
When it seems your world is ending,
Turn up the music and dance. Twisting, swaying, turning, bending. Turn up the music and dance. If the dance is bright and jumpy, dancing it'll stop you feeling grumpy. Do one knees up till you seize up. Turn up the music and dance. How you feeling, why?
do, mi, re, so, fa, re. Turn up the music and sing.
Dance!
Sing!
Dance!
Do, mi, re, so, fa, re.
Turn up the music and dance, dance. There's no need for you to doubt it. You can make a song and dance about it.
Do, mi, re, so.
It's a rainy day, so turn up the music and turn up the music and turn up the music and dance, dance. Oh, I think I need my cup of tea after that, Betty.
Did you enjoy that, why?
It was a very nice cup of tea, thank you, Betty.
Oh, dear. I know. What about one of my special bananas? They usually do the trick. Now, would you like a banana, why?
Yeah, I'll peel it for you, why?
Here, you might need this.
What for?
Wait and see. Here, watch this. You too, why?
Betty. Look at that. It's already sliced. That's fantastic. How'd you do that?
That's my secret.
Well, I suppose it makes it easier to eat if it's already sliced, but no, thank you, Betty. I'm not really hungry.
Oh, that didn't make any difference, did it? What should we do now?
Oh, why? Have you got a tea time treat on your Whitek?
Well, I might have one about a banana somewhere. Oh, just a minute.
Oh, look, it's that teapot again.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout. We are the tea friends, hear us shout. Tip yourself up and pour us out. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs.
They're coming. Yes, they're coming.
Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesday they'll try to catch them unawares. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesday they'll try to catch them unawares.
Hello, come and find me.
Did you see that bear?
I certainly did.
Oh, did you see where it went?
Come and find me.
There it is, by the phone. Oh, he's by the window. Oh, where's he gone now? Oh, there he is. He's heading for the coat stand.
You found me. Can I have some music, please? Why?
Oh, yes, that's my pleasure. Oh, this is fun. I think the bear's going to sing.
Little Ted Bear from nowhere in particular, nowhere in particular, nowhere at all, walked from here to there and climbed the perpendicular covered wall. Exquisite view from up here, don't you know? Then when his search was ended, down the wall he slid. And when he had descended, do you know what he did? Our little Ted Bear went nowhere in particular, flat or perpendicular, nowhere at all. Bye.
Bye, Bear. He was good fun, wasn't he? Do you know, Betty, I think I do feel rather hungry after all. I'm going to have some of your magically sliced bananas. And while I do, you can have a look at some other magic bananas on my Whitek.
Well done, Royce. That seems to have cheered her up. Well, where are these bananas, Vi?
Just coming. There they are. Tons of them. Can you guess what they're going to make with them? Where's all the skins? Now, what are they going to use? The bananas or the skins? The bananas. There's a lot of them there, isn't there? Do you think it's going to be a banana milkshake, a giant one? Or banana soup? Oh, look, they're all getting mashed up and churned. All done. What do you think it is? Ooh, well, you don't put soup in bottles, do you? Any ideas yet? There we are. Banana shampoo. It's a funny thing to put on your hair, isn't it? Bananas. Hey, I could have some strawberry shampoo for my feathers, couldn't I? Did you guess those bananas were being made into shampoo?
Well, I'm glad to see you've cheered up, Why, and eaten up.
Oh, yes, thank you, Betty. That banana was delicious.
But I'd better go and find Humphrey's wellies.
No, you just sit there and relax a bit longer, because I'd like to tell you a story, if I may use your white egg, Why.
Oh, certainly. Go ahead, Betty.
Yeah.
Do you know, today's turning out really well.
It's called Busy, Busy, Busy. One fine day, Mum was in a bad mood. She wouldn't give me a biscuit, or read me a story, or play, or anything. Mum said there was too much to do. She had beds to make and meals to cook, and clothes to wash. She said she was chained to the kitchen sink all day. She said I had to go away and play by myself. So I did. I went upstairs and sorted out the farm. And I tidied up the cars. I even found a long-lost sock. But all the while down below, I could still hear Mum crashing around in a bad mood. Then suddenly, the whole house went quiet. I held my breath. I listened really hard, but I couldn't hear a thing. So I tiptoed downstairs to see what was going on. The kitchen door was open a tiny crack. I peeked inside. There she was, standing very still, with hands stuck in the sink and two big tears rolling down her cheeks. In a flash, I was onto the chair and I wiped away the tears. And I gave her a great big kiss. And I pulled her arms out of the water and shouted, "Snip, snip, snip," to all the chains around the sink. And they fell off like magic. "Come on, Mum," I said, "quick, before it's too late." And we grabbed hands and ran down the corridor into the sunshine. Just the two of us. Just in time.
That was a lovely story. Thank you very, very much, Betty.
Well, I suppose I ought to go and sort out the washing up. Bye, you two.
There you go. Bye.
Oh, Betty,
Yes, why?
thank you very much for that magical banana.
Not at all, why? Bye.
Bye. Hey, Royce. Royce, I've had an idea. Royce? Oh, where's he gone now?
I'm here.
Oh, thank goodness for that. I thought you disappeared again.
What do you mean, again?
Well, you're always disappearing when I need some help.
Why, I had disappeared to get Humphrey's wellies. I was helping you. I don't want you to get into another bad mood.
Oh, well, that's what my idea's about.
Which idea?
Well, I want you to do something that's going to keep us really, 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 really cheerful.
What's that?
Well, why don't you press the joke button on my white egg?
Right.
Come on, Royce. Tell it to us.
Right. How do you start a bear race?
Oh, I don't know. How do you start a bear race?
Ready? Teddy, go.
Teddy, go. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello, Wybird Staff. Wybird herself speaking. How may I help you? Oh, it's Humphrey. Yes, Humphrey, we have found your wellies. Pardon? Oh, the weather's really miserable there. That's funny. It's really cheerful here. We'll bring them over right away. Bye.
Oh, time to go. See you next week.
Royce?
Yeah?
Oh, don't forget Humphrey's wellies.
Bye. Ready, Teddy, go.
I'll see you next time. I'm really glad I decided to cheer up.
Come on, why?
I'm coming.